guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have the brand new Blitzwolf BW HP2 wireless headphones. Now these headphones are advertised as having touch control functions, being noise cancelling, providing up to a whopping 40 hours music playback time. We have reviewed a fair few Blitzwolf products in the past, and realistically you should expect a significantly lower usage time, especially using 100% volume. We will indeed be checking this out towards the end of this video. First, let me shout out a few people and thank them for their amazing comments and continuous support. It's very much appreciated. You too can show some love by subscribing just now and by turning on those notifications. We are just about to hit 10k subscribers real soon, and we would like to see you all on our channel, and we thank every single subscriber for their continuous support. My tabasa. Let's go ahead and let's open it up. And well, okay, inside we've got the headphones that sits within that moulded protective packaging. Let's place the headphones aside just for now, but we also get a gold plated 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable. This audio cable is braided and it doesn't come with any type of microphone or control unit attached. There's a micro USB charge cable. So no, unfortunately there's no fast charging and it doesn't come with a Type-C with this unit. And well, lastly, we've got a very simple user manual, and may I say that text inside is quite minute. Back to the HP2 headphones now, and although they are indeed foldable, they are fairly flexible too, and are extendable. This model does only come in matte black. It has a standard but familiar look about them, especially with those vinyl external driver shells, almost looking like the One Audio A30s. We do have 25mm thick PU leather ear pads attached to those 50mm driver units. Those driver units do tilt, and on the headband we've got the matching PU leather padding. This headset actually does feel quite solid, to be honest. On the right side driver units we have, so we've got, well, touch control buttons. No, they're not. They're rather clickable and clunky ones. These can only be used wirelessly, by the way. Nevertheless, we've got the play, pause, call, answer button, which is central. We've got the previous and next track selections to the left and right, and the volume up and down to the top and bottom. Around the rim of that same right hand drive unit, there is a micro USB charge port. There's a single pin microphone, a 3.5mm audio port for wired connection, a power on off switch, an LED indication light, and hidden discreetly behind the sidearm is indeed a TF memory card slot. Let's go ahead and turn this headset on, and to pair this with your device is quite simple. By selecting BW HP2 from your Bluetooth device list of your mobile phone, and once connected you should also have a battery percentage level displayed up on your screen too. Trying these Blitzwolf BW HP2s on, I will say that they sit fairly comfortable upon my ears with just the earlobe sitting upon the padding. They are very light, only 240 grams in fact, hopefully making them ideal for long use. They do have average grip because they are light, but certainly won't fall off when being active. Now right away, this headset doesn't have any passive noise cancellation, and although active noise cancellation is listed in the specifications, I do think it's absent from the features. Actually, the only noise cancellation you do get is when the music volume is at 100%. Now I've been using these headphones for around about 3 days, and what really stands out is that brilliant bass, which is real deep, and using the HP2 wirelessly, the bass is never exaggerated and not too over the top. Volume is good, okay, not super loud, but does sit at my preferred level. High tones could do with a bit more of a punch, especially with the treble, but clarity in whole is not too bad and quite crystal clear. The only negative really is that the mids do sit a bit flat with certain genres of music, and well, those lows, I've got to be honest, they're really amazing. Minute sounds that you don't normally hear with other headsets, well, it is easily picked up with this particular one today. And this headset does also have fantastic polarity between both drivers. Now when using that provided 3.5mm wire in wired mode, I will note that you won't lose any sound clarity, but you do however lose a bit of bass. With that 1000 mAh battery built in, and with 100% volume consistently being used, we did get just over 31 hours music playback time, taking just over 3 hours 30 minutes to fully recharge them once again. That is, using that micro USB charge cable. The Bluetooth 5.0 transmission wasn't too bad. I personally did get around 9 meters before the Bluetooth transmission cut off within our household, obviously with obstacles like walls being in the way. You can get up to 13 meters in open spaces, and within my home, within those zones, you do get stable performance with crystal clear mic pickup too, using these headphones for calls etc. Nope, not having any type of mic muffle. And well, when it came down to consistently using those clickable function controls, well, it wasn't too bad. They're fairly easy to blindly situate those buttons while the headset's on your head, but I will note that that central play pause button was however a bit fiddly to use. In whole, for just over £21, that's 29 in US dollars, I do think that these HP2s look and perform just above average for a budget wireless headphone set. Yep, clarity and audio is pretty good, but if I'm to be honest, I do think that a few of our previously reviewed One Audio headsets both look and sound better, but indeed are slightly more expensive than these HP2s. Now I personally do rate BlitzWolf products, and I do think that these HP2s are a good added addition. When wearing them, they will fit in any environment, whether using them at the gym, out and about in public, or indeed at work. They are suitable for long use, but I must say that my ears did feel a bit sweaty just after 2 hours use, with those earpads just sitting on the rim of my ears. But today, for audio, we are simply going to give these BlitzWolf HP2s a 7 out of 10 for audio. For design, we're going to give them 8 out of 10. For comfort, another 8 out of 10, with a total rating for these BlitzWolf BW HP2s being 7 out of 10. I will indeed definitely leave a link for these in the video description down below. For the price, I can suggest them, so if you'd like to take a look, check that link out in the video description, and if you like what you see, well why not go get yours. While you're there guys, please smash that like button, I'd very much appreciate it. Please subscribe to this channel, making sure yes to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated upon my new uploads. Now I'm going to be doing some more interesting tech reviews in the next few days, please stay tuned for that. And as usual guys, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!